Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. I'm Lauren Rabin. On today's show, we're featuring PEARS. Joining me in the kitchen today is Dr. Jennifer Janco and Chef Adam Delosso, who will be showing us how to make healthy meals your whole family will enjoy. What are we making today?
So we're gonna first start off by making a little bit of a fancy grilled cheese for the kids.
Ooh.
You can take any kind of bread you'd like.
Okay.
This is a little bit of brioche. We're gonna take a little bit of pear butter, and you're gonna spread this right on, thin on there. And you take pears and you cook them in a little bit of water with lemon juice, about 20 minutes. Take them out, rice them through a food mill or a china cap or a strainer. Cook that down with a little bit of spices, very tiny bit of sugar for about 3 hours on low. Starts to caramelize all the pears and cooks all the moisture out of the pear.
And you know what, while it's cooking on low, you can just let it do its thing and go hang out with your kids or...
Yep.
You don't have to be at the stove for that amount of time.
I put a little bit of fontina cheese.
Okay. Introducing different kinds of cheeses develops your kids' palate.
Yeah, you just want to mix it up, especially when kids get a little rigid and they'll only eat like the one thing. Just subtle variations are ways to help them learn to accept something new.
So we're going to take a little bit of butter and put it into a medium hot pan.
Okay.
And while that's toasting, we're actually going to make the adult version. And we're going to call it pear toast. I took a little bit of sourdough baguette. We're going to put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on there.
Okay.
And we'll put a little bit of salt and pepper on here. And we're going to toast it in a, you can do it on the grill outside. I have a panini maker here. So while that's toasting, we're going to take Anjou pears. There's multiple different kinds of pears.
There are.
So we're just going to take these and we're going to slice them down.
Okay.
Just like this.
Okay, that was easy.
Yeah. So I just tossed this little salt, pepper, and olive oil.
Okay.
Then you have your toast.
Oh, gorgeous.
You flip the grilled cheese. You want to not do it too hot. We're actually going to pop that in the oven for 2 seconds just to melt all the cheese.
Okay. Oh, great idea.
This is really
Smells
easy.
really good.
You want to spread a little bit on there.
Kind of want to use my fingers the way he does, but I'm not. I didn't go to chef school, so I'm not sure I should.
So what's the texture of the pear butter when you eat it? Is it kind of like peanut butter? Is it gooey like that?
It's kind of like reduced applesauce. We're going to take a little bit of ricotta.
Very high in calcium.
Absolutely, you get some protein and calcium out of that, and another way of varying what kinds of cheeses.
That's true.
So a little toast. We're going to plate these right here.
They look so pretty.
And that was so easy.
We're going to add the pears to it.
But there's more.
There's slices of pears.
And that looks gorgeous.
We have some candied pecans, which I'm going to chop just a little bit. This is just going to add a little bit of texture. All right, then to finish this, we're going to use a little bit of honey. Now, Doctor, you want to talk a little bit about?
So honey, I think, has a lot of great properties for older children and adults. For children less than 12 months of age, there is a bit of a botulism risk with that, so we usually recommend avoiding honey under 12 months. But over 12 months, go for it.
Drizzle a little bit of honey on these, and we're going to take just a couple microgreens.
This looks like a work of art.
It does.
So this grilled cheese is all finished. I don't know about you, but my kids don't like crust.
I cannot wait to try these. What about you?
Yeah.
I'm ready for some ooey gooey cheese.
So what little kid doesn't like grilled cheese?
What adult doesn't love grilled cheese when you make it like this?
The pear butter?
Really good.
All right, I'm going in for this. I'm so excited.
Okay.
Who wants to join me?
I
Might
do,
be
but
a
I
little
want to finish
messy.
this.
Want to move one of the walnuts over. Pecans.
I'm probably going to make a mess. Full disclosure. Also good. A grown-up grilled cheese.
Yep.
That's amazing. A grown-up grilled cheese, you're right. Thank you so much, Chef, for these great ideas. Thank you, Doctor, for joining us today.
My pleasure. I had a lot of fun.
Thank you.